In this video, I'm going to show you how I took cardboard like this and turned it into an Umbra Arc Trooper helmet. Since I've already made a clone trooper helmet with these files, I'm not going to go super into depth on how I made this, but if you'd like to know, then you can watch this video. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is the finished helmet. I think it came out really good. I think it looks pretty dang accurate and just overall came out really good. I think it might be one of my best helmets. I'm going to be making the rest of the costume and armor and stuff for this helmet, so if you'd like to see that, then subscribe and keep an eye out for them. If you'd like to build this helmet or any of my other helmets, then check the link in the description and get my templates and follow along. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment other video ideas you'd like to see me do, and I'll see you next time.